Presenting the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.